Hey guys, today we have some behind the scenes on the F100 project. We got some footage on the bed, gauge cluster, and the fuel tank. Not a whole lot of talking here, so bear with me, but I thought it was worth showing some techniques in the fabrication process. If you learned something, let me know in the comments. Consider leaving a like. It's free for you and it helps me out a lot. You saw we fabricated our wheel tubs. We dimpled and welded and added this plate here, and we extended it as well. When we got the bed was already cut out, and there was a bunch of rust in a lot of areas, so we pretty much cut the rest of it out. Decided to just kind of reframe the whole thing. So you can see here, there's all new bracing along the perimeter of this whole thing, just fully reframed. Starting with a fresh platform, everything nice and square, adding some bracing on the top just to hold everything together. That's my little temporary brace to make sure like the wheel tubs are nice and straight with the bed line. Got some bars down there to keep everything together. Everything's tacked in just to verify and make sure that everything stays in place, has support, has structure. So we'll go ahead and start getting all that stuff tacked in and finalized. And then we'll probably cut the sections of centers out, and we'll go ahead and test fit the bed again. We'll start getting some panels in here. So let's get to it. So that was a little more detailed process of building out this truck. Let me know what you guys think. Catch you on the flip side.